kamusta na after yung season mo ng pagkapanalo?
Yan, okay na ako everything.
Yeah, you think about that.
Nakikita mo ba yung stardom on your part?
Is here. Our heartthrob winner. Hi, Christian. As always, Rocco Nasino, who I saw on the red carpet
Ano
earlier.
anong difference nung nanalo ka ngayon at yung ordinary person ka lang before na?
Alright, what about Bea Rose Santiago, Miss International Under the little roll call here. If I don't see them right now, they're on their way here, so we're looking forward to that. What about the always adorable
I heard na magkakaroon ng first album,
Bea
right?
Actually, out na po siya sa
Hi, Bea. Okay, what about
June 7 pa kami
School? You can't miss her
January
tonight.
and June 20 rin, 22 sa Mac.
Giving
Is it
interviews.
all original or parang...
May original songs and have five
I'm sure you're all familiar. The Voice,
po, yung mga songs na
Voice fame.
May mga communication ka ba sa mga kasama mo sa
Oh, yes,
Voice?
po. Once in a while,
Congratulations. Okay, Ramon Bautista, hilarious Ramon Bautista.
Ngayon, malapit na, kumbaga malapit na, na-launch na pala yung Voice Kids, diba? May participation ba kayo doon? Or
Ayun,
parang-
actually, nung guide din for space po yung dalawang araw na kayo. Minsan po ako nanood ako. Support sa pizza.
Alright. Miss Marian Rivera will be
Still have communication with Sarah?
Yes po.
Ano yung mga advices na binigay niya sa'yo?
Oh my God.
Sobrang happy siya sa akin. Sabi niya sa akin na wag ko magbago. Ayun na, happy for me na. Kanya pa rin daw siya bilang kaibigan. And yun, support na sinasabi ko sa akin.
With Marian. Alright. Now, I'm not gonna keep you guys waiting.
Kasi you're regular sa ASAP, no?
Yes,
Isa sa mga dream ng mga singer, makakanta sa ASAP. And you are...
Ko rin po yan sa
Oh, ngayon, kung magkano yung pakiramdam nga na you are part ng ASAP?
I feel really blessed na yun na kaya nga po na sinabi yung pangarap na rin. Yun na, naging part na ako ng ASAP.
Reyes, let's give her a big round.